If you have a house in Lockbourne, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Lockbourne. And the reason so many sellers in Lockbourne like working with us is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. It's going to be very, very easy for you, the seller. And what allows us to buy it in its as-is condition is we're a cash buyer. We're not relying on a bank or a mortgage company or a lender, because when you're working with a buyer, when you're selling your house in Lockbourne and you're working with a buyer that's using a loan, there's way more hoops that you need to jump through than if you're just dealing with a cash buyer, right? So when you're dealing with a buyer that's using a loan, they're going to have formal inspections, formal appraisals. They're going to look into every single nook and cranny. They probably want to renegotiate with you. You got to wait for the buyer to be approved. It could end up wasting a lot of your time. And in real estate, time is money, because every day that goes by where you haven't sold your house in Lockbourne is another day that you're paying for property taxes, insurance, you're paying for utilities, maybe you still have a mortgage on the property, you're paying payments, and who knows. So if you want to sell the house easily and sell it in its as-is condition, where you don't have to fix anything, clean anything, or haul anything away, we're going to be a better fit for you. And since we're a direct buyer, we're a cash buyer, so there's no lender involved, no formal lender, no formal inspections, but we're going to buy the house as is, so you don't have to hire anyone or do any work to this whatsoever. And since we're paying cash, you can pick when your closing date is. So you're not relying on a bank approval. If you need to close quickly, we can make that happen. Or if you need flexibility and to kind of set something up for yourself in the future, whatever the case may be, we're here to accommodate your needs. So if you have a house in Lockbourne, you're looking to sell fast, easy, conveniently for a fair price, we are local. We are not a call center. We're not a marketing company that just wants you to call us so we can sell your information. No, we don't do that. We have hundreds of reviews of sellers just like you in and around Lockbourne, Ohio, and we're going to be a good fit for you. Treat you like a neighbor, because that's exactly what you are to us. And you can call us here at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. There is nothing, no pressure, there's no games or gimmicks or sales tactics, and no, it's just an easy conversation. We just want to know more information about the house and know more information on when you're looking to sell, what your timeline is, so we can accommodate that timeline, and we're going to make you a fair cash offer. If the offer works for you, great. If not, no problem at all. We'll shake hands, we'll part as friends, but we're not going to waste your time. So if you're looking to sell your house in Lockbourne easily and for a fair price, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.